Featuring original woodwork, 20-foot-high ceilings, and beautifully landscaped grounds, Kinney Bungalow is a picturesque location for a wedding perfect for parties both intimate and opulent.
Welcome to Kinney Bungalow. This charming historical landmark is located on Sunset Farm in Narragansett, Rhode Island. Sunset Farm is the oldest and only working farm in town, with over 150 acres of beautiful farmland, offering an unbelievable backdrop to your special day. Kinney Bungalow was built in 1899 by Francis S. Kinney, a tobacco and real estate millionaire, with the same purpose it holds today, a good time with special people. Mr. Kinney particularly used the space after polo matches in the fields next door. Its design showcases an elegant interior with a grand staircase and original cypress wood panel walls. The 15-foot ceilings are accompanied by 8 by 7-foot windows wrapping completely around the second floor grand hall, providing an impressive view across the farm and beautiful sunsets. Some say the design was acquired by Mr. Kinney's younger years as a sailor. Since then, Kinney Bungalow has been the summer home to the Chase Ewing family. The space continued to host numerous dances, parties, and celebrations. Lucia Chase Ewing was the co-founder of the American Ballet Theater. He brought the troupe to Narragansett, where the bungalow served as the rehearsal site. Perhaps you'll find the original ballet bar on your next visit to the venue. In 1991, the bungalow, along with the historical Sunset Farm, was acquired by the town of Narragansett. The Narragansett Land Trust set the mission then to preserve the open land in a largely developed town of Narragansett. Following major restoration work, Kinney Bungalow was opened to the public in 2002. Today, the property has grown to approximately 200 acres, with the addition of land donations by adjoining property owners. Having your day at Kinney Bungalow is special because it offers inclusive features with step-by-step help from our knowledgeable staff. And one of my favorite parts of the process is getting to see all the details come together, from the very beginning planning process all the way to walking down the aisle and those flawless celebrations or reception details. There's nothing like seeing the bungalow set up perfectly with all the decorations and then filled with people all there to celebrate together. Kinney Bungalow has teamed up with an amazing group of catering companies, offering over 15 to choose from our preferred list. Curious about rentals? The bungalow provides all the tables and chairs needed to host a wedding up to 150 guests or perhaps a party for 200. Our beautiful courtyard, surrounded by full and green privet hedges, set a romantic and private scene for your ceremony and cocktail hour. With rolling farm fields just behind the ceremony site, the photo opportunities are endless. And while we don't like to talk about wedding day rain, we've got a backup plan indoors just in case. The second floor of the bungalow stuns guests as they are greeted by large windows, beautiful woodwork, and continuous farm views. Views in which may include the sighting of a few baby calves, horses, or the family dogs that are living next door. The space can accommodate your preference of a seated, buffet, or cocktail-style reception. Anticipating a dancing crowd, the east end of the venue can accommodate a band or a DJ for your musical entertainment, and plenty of space to cut the rug with your guests. Step back into history with this charming, romantic venue, the ideal place for a rustic wedding with the versatility to host any special event. Rehearsal dinners, welcome parties, post-wedding brunches, and more. Come see why Kinney Bungalow is Narragansett's hidden gem.